In Ukrainian hubs, we help Ukrainians to find temporary accommodation. So all this sphere of the first aid in sheltering, this is our help now. We do it because we are Ukrainians, and for us it is very important to help people in need. We were doing it before the war, and now there is an urgent need to help people who are fleeing from the war. We couldn't do other way. It's also for us emotionally, we could not sit not doing anything, and being Ukrainian organization in Poland, it's our obligation and our desire. Ukrainians are now fighting not only for Ukraine but also for Europe, and we need help of Europe to protect Ukraine and Europe. If we will win, if Ukraine will win, European Union also will win.